Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can reverse a video on Capcut. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch up Capcut, and once you launch up Capcut, you're going to click on a new project. Okay, so we're going to click on home, and then we're going to click on new project. And once it loads us, we're going to import whatever video you want. In my example, I will import this drone shot of a mountain. And after that, once you import it, you're going to drag it and put it all the way onto your slideshow over here. Now, once it loads in, okay, it's a heavy video, so once it loads in, as you can see, I have this type of video. It's going from right to left, okay? Now, I want to reverse it to go from left to right, and it's really simple. Now, if you come over here at your slideshow, right above it, you have this thin little bar. Now, come all the way on the left, and as you can see, you're going to see a circle with a play with a pause button in it. And as you can see, when I hover over it, it's called reverse. So I'm going to click on it, and once I click on it, it's going to click load, reversing the clip. And now, instead of going from right to left, it's going from left to right. And that was basically how you can reverse any clip. Now, if you want to reverse only a specific part of the clip, you're going to have to split the clip, as you can see, split the scene here, or splitting the scene here. Okay, you're going to split it. You're going to first split it through the places you want. Let's say I want here and here, and then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to only reverse it on this section. So if I go back and I show the video, as you can see, it's going from left to right, and then from right to left, and then back from left to right. So that was basically how you can reverse a video on Capcut on PC. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.